Well, we're looking forward to seeing all of the work on the inside. I know they're working hard to prep the windows for their delivery and then putting them in and installing them shortly, but really to get a feel for what's taking place inside. Myself personally, I haven't been inside for 3 weeks, so I'm excited to see the progress that we've made so far.
Inside of the library. Inside the library, another direction. This is coming up to the entrance to the Center for Performing Arts. At the entrance to the Center for the Performing Arts. Back entrance coming into cosmetology. Swinging around. The Center for Performing Arts. Back entrance. Look how far up it goes. Gymnasium. Right off the back entrance by the Center for Performing Arts and by cosmetology. Now it's starting to take form. Fitness room right off the gymnasium by the back entrance. Back into the gym. Fitness room. This is the tech wing corridor. Porcelain tiles. Right next to the fitness room, tech wing on the other side. Classroom near the front. Classroom facing Garrison Road. Walking down the main first floor corridor. Heading up to the second floor. And look at the view that everyone will have. Up on the second floor corridor. Second floor classroom. Facing out to the golf course.
So here we are today, middle of February. Things are moving along quite quickly for Greater Fort Erie Secondary School. This is one of our 5 science classrooms. Chemicals are stored in rooms in between the rooms, the science classrooms. We have the drop ceiling is in for the frame. The panels, the lights are coming.
We're looking in right next to the Center for Performing Arts. This will be both the pomegranate and the cafeteria. Large area where, as Mr. Louws has just said, there'll be a fireplace, making it beautiful.